This has to be the craziest road in the world. Okay, so we just checked out our hotel. It's 8 in the morning, and today we're gonna see the Transfagarasan. It's apparently the best road in the world, from what I hear. From Top Speed, it was featured, and it's all over YouTube. It's getting a lot of exposure nowadays, and right now I'm super excited to see it from my own eyes. Alright, let's take this drive over. So we've been driving for about an hour now, and we decided to stop at this nice little restaurant. There's actually not a lot, but there's a few restaurants and hotels on the road. I do wish I knew that beforehand, because I would have loved to stay on the road. So what is this?
This is polenta with cheese and an omelet with sausage, and it's really delicious.
Let me just zoom in on it.
Look at that.
So I actually forgot the actual name here, but it's like a pancake with raisins and a sweet cheese, more like a crepe. So I'm gonna go try it out now. That is good. Wow. So here we just made it to Ballia Lake, and let me tell you how high up we are. Like, you can see all the snow behind me. I'm even made a little snowball, and it's super high up. The water here is beautiful. The views throughout the whole drive was just so insane. Transfagarasan. The road, as you can see, is very crazy, very curvy, and you can just think about all the work, all the people put into this. Apparently a lot of people died. It's stated only 40 people, but undocumented other people who worked in the road said the numbers were the hundreds. So right now I'm standing about 7,000 feet in the air. That's how high I am, guys. This road is unbelievable. We're now leaving the road. We're heading over to the town of Sibiu. So we have Casa Nitu right here in Sibiu. It's a really nice room. It has a seating area, washer dryer included. Then the bathroom is actually very miraculous. To the bedroom. So here what we have is traditional Romanian tripe soup. First, I'm just going to taste it regularly. It's a pretty simple flavor, nice and creamy. But the real way to eat it is to actually have all these garnishes we have here. This is sour cream, and this is a garlic sauce, and chili pepper, special for me apparently. So let's have at it.
I like garlic. Okay, sour cream. I'm not big on sour cream, but I can't work with this. Mix that in there.
Don't forget your chili pepper.
Okay. Eat it. Whatever. Alright. Let's see how this turns out. That actually transforms the flavor completely. Now it's a lot more flavorful, even more creamier, and you get actually some tripe in it. And for tripe, it is actually extremely tender. Here we have it. I've been waiting the whole trip just to eat this. This is papa nasi. It's like a Romanian donut, but it's covered in blueberry preserves and sour cream. And I think the dough itself is made with a cheese. The hype is real. This is worth it. This is worth the trip alone. You have to come to Romania to eat this.
Right behind me is the Bridge of Lies. The original name was Bridge of Lays, and somehow it got changed to Bridge of Lies. And after that, myths came along that if you lie on a bridge, the bridge will collapse while you're walking it. So there's that, guys. We're gonna keep walking around, show you a little bit more around. So that's pretty much my time in Sibiu. I actually really do wish I had a bit more time here. It's a very beautiful city, especially the old town. The traffic is much more than I actually really expected, but my review is, I say come here. It is pretty tourist, I would say that, but you know, with that it comes meeting new people and lots of good food actually. And the one thing is, you always feel like you're being watched by all the houses. They all have these little eyes and they're just like, they're judging you the whole time. But until next time, guys, stay off the beaten path.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like or comment below and subscribe for future videos. For more content, follow both our Instagram accounts below.